Okay, I'm back again. Just had to give my arm a real bit of a break. Because for the past hour last night, that's all I've been doing is trying to beat my record. 10 seconds, I got 125. So, let's try 45 again for the last time. We're going to try to, I'm going to try to get to 500 if it's even possible for me. And go. I'm going to try to get it. Sweat. Come on, will I get the 500? Come on, 500, 500. I won't make it. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, we were so close. Well, I got 495 at least, but I had to keep switching back and forth. If I wasn't having to switch back and forth, I might have got to probably 525 around in there, maybe. So, nothing really big today, just testing how fast I was tapping. But I'll go back to gaming soon. I just need to delete some stuff off my phone so I can have more storage. So, yeah. Have a good day, night, afternoon, or whatever. See you later, and like and subscribe if you like this video.